ready? What? I guess. As ready as you'll ever be? Yeah. We are on our way to get our eyebrows done. Cause, ooh girl, these little woolly mammoths, they be rough. So how did you get yourself sucked into this? Honestly, I have no idea. Oh, you don't remember? I really don't actually. Well, you said if I made you an appointment, you'd go. Oh, yeah, okay, yeah, that was the thing, because it was free. Yeah. Your first one at European Wax Center is complimentary. Hashtag not sponsored. Right. And I guess since we are still quote-unquote on lockdown around here, even though it's slowly opening back up, I decided to set up an appointment for Gryffindor since I had to get mine done anyway. We have our masks. We do. We are taking the necessary precautions to be safe. Yes. And European Wax Center is already a very sanitary salon. They've already sprayed the bed each time a new client comes in. And then they have like that paper that kind of doctors put down on the bed thingies. And I like how you're saying all this with the camera still pointed at me. Yeah! I'm giving you the lowdown. They use a new pair of gloves for each client. They do wear masks now, kind of like the goggles like you wear in Chem Lab. Sometimes they wear a shield, but that's only for those types of services. Which is not happening. It better not be. I swear to God, if I find out, if I walk in there, they're like, all right, now take your pants off. Like, no, actually, your next appointment is here. I'm not that mean. What's that side-eye for? I wasn't side-eyeing you. I was checking my peripherals. There's a big difference. Oh, okay. But no, just your brows. I think only your brows is the first service complimentary. Like, I don't think they do complimentary Brazilians or stuff like that. And then you're going to review, and that's rude. I'm sorry, my phone's been blowing up, so. Oh, Mr. Popular over here. No, it was just work. Oh, you're going to get it done for the first time, and then you're going to talk about your experience. Right. I've been going to my girls since, like, what, the wedding? I think so. Yeah, I believe so. So it has been. Oh, you look at the police next to me? No, it was EMS. Oh, it was EMS. Okay. But I've been going to her I'm pretty sure as long as the wedding, because I remember getting my brows and lip done like right before a wedding, and then we got sunburn at the fair. Yeah, because I got the European Wax Center's the Renew Me stuff. They put it on over your brow area afterwards, and it feels good, and it smells just like the European Wax Center. It's great. I've never smelled. Oh, it has a very distinct smell to it. Right. Yeah. But yeah. Tired? A little bit. Tired from like Animal Crossing all day? Yeah. Griffin started his own island. I caved and bought a Switch. Luckily, like you told me about it, luckily there were some in stock. Yeah, Best Buy. Yeah. And so much for him putting his house on my aisle, and I was just taking up space. What's that? You can delete me from No, I need that when Red comes visits once a month. Yeah. He's like your period. That's why it's called Red. Yep. As to why it's called Jolly, I don't know. They're definitely not jolly. Nope. So when we get to European Wax Center, we will do a before, and then we'll do an after, and then we'll get the ravioli. Give me the formioli. Okay, Griffin started talking, and I'm like, wait, let me pull out the camera again. Yeah. It's one of those things where it's like, it's not gonna hurt, I know this, but it's like, what if it does on the bottom side, as you said, because you've plucked my eyebrows before, and that hurt like a... Okay, well, there's a difference. There's waxing, there's threading, and then there's plucking. Plucking is something I don't mess with anymore. We all made that mistake in the early 2000s, over plucking, having that damn little line. Yeah, like my brows are forever scarred from it, but it's okay. So usually with the European Wax Center, what they do, it's not like the traditional like brown wax and then they take like a strip and pull. Their wax is actually kind of like a gray black color that they put on. They let it sit for a little bit and then they just pull off the wax. Usually like above here doesn't really hurt me, but like underneath right here is where Griffin's referring to, that it has a little bit more sting to it. Usually if there's like a lot of hair, it's so satisfying. Then there's less to pluck afterwards. That's where I kind of just get like a little flinchy, is when she starts plucking, cleaning it up. That's why I try to go every 2 weeks so I don't pick at my brow. But then again, not all the hair is gonna be fully grown. It's kind of like the little ones that get left behind that don't want to come out during this round. Now I'm on just like a once a month basis, which is just really weird. I just like those little sparse hairs to be gone. It's just annoying. I don't own tweezers, but you can always help pluck yours when they grow back, unless if you want to continuously go.
Nah, probably not.
No? Not your cup of tea, just a one-time experience?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just for you.
Oh, you're so sweet.
Try to be.
Delta, we made it. So we need to do a before and after. So there we go. All of the beautiful bushiness got going. Let's check out this one. All right. And I know you have like your one wise brow hair.
Yeah, it's probably gonna be gone.
No, just tell her don't pluck
No,
that
I don't
one.
care. This is the funny area.
Yeah, I got that too with my scars. Look, I spy Ulta. What? What are you giving me that look for? You ready to go check in? I know we are a little bit early. It's balls hot. Why? Why?
Because it's the summer.
Yeah, but I hate summer so much. I'm ready for winter. So, how was it?
Wasn't as bad as I thought. There's a dude sitting right in this car right there.
That's okay.
No, it wasn't as bad as I thought.
You want to show off your brows? Let's get a full face. Full face of beautifulness. All right, look. All right, we got some cleaned up. It looks good. And let's look at this side. Stop squinting. Yeah.
Yeah.
Did it hurt?
No, not really.
No?
No, the under this part doesn't feel great, but
Yeah, just stung a little bit.
yeah.
But you're not as red as I thought you would be afterwards.
I'm surprised about that too.
10 out of 10 recommend?
I'd probably do like a 7.5, 8 out of 10.
But oh man, for me it's always jumping hoops. They screwed up my unlimited brow. I get that renewed every fall, winter time. So they didn't do that. They renewed me for 12 number pass one. So we got that one taken care of. And then I was still like, this seems like a really odd amount, because the gratuity tip plus my difference I had to pay to get back unlimited did not make sense. And turns out that my facial pass disappeared. And I'm just like, what do you mean disappeared all of a sudden out of thin air? So luckily, in the scorching heat of 95 degrees, I dug through my purse and I was able to find my last receipt. And it's very rare that I keep receipts. Normally I shred things right away. But I guess something told me to leave this one receipt in my purse. So luckily I had a transaction ID and how many that I had left. The dyslexia kicked in. I thought I had 9, but in reality I had 6. So sent the manager an email, because we were playing email tag the last time about my brow pass. Hopefully they get it taken care of, because there's really no other girl I want to go see to get this all done. She just does it right. You just experienced it with her for the first time. That sounds dirty.
I'd be like, what?
She's good, right?
Yeah, she was good. She was cool.
Competent?
Yeah.
Yeah. 10 out of 10? What about her?
Okay, her 10 out of 10.
Wait, what am I? Got you there.
Okay.
Well, we have to go return stuff at Sephora, and then we're on the hunt at Target, and then it's ravioli, give me the formioli time.
Yes.
And I'm hungry because we didn't eat lunch.
So let's do this quickly.
Hangry's coming out.
As I said, let's do this quickly.
Man, it is hot. I am over summer. You just be working up a sweat, just going from one store to the next. But it's okay. That is what Panera coffee is for. Now, why Panera and not Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts? Because Panera, they have a coffee subscription for $10 a month, get unlimited coffee, and they do it in intervals of 2 hours. So if you get coffee at 10 a.m., you can go back at 12 at a different location. So it's pretty sweet.
Hashtag not sponsored.
Hashtag not sponsored. Hashtag I just love coffee and it's saving me a lot of money. You get 2 Starbucks drinks and it's the price of the Panera subscription. And Panera does iced coffee and that's all I need. Add some vanilla, cream and sugar, we Gucci. It's not Dunkin' Donuts iced coffee, but you know what? This will do to save money. But the mall, I don't know who wants to go shopping during a pandemic because it's not fun. And the only reason why I went is because I have to return stuff. And luckily I've gone because in Victoria's Secret it had a sign about if you had purchased items from like December something of 2019 through now, you can return through September. That will probably get pushed back, how things are going right now. They had arrows everywhere, but the employees were not enforcing it. It's kind of confusing actually. But Sephora is limiting how many people they are allowing in. I think it's like maybe 10 max in the store, and that's including the employees. So got that all returned, taken care of. And decided to go to a third Target. I have been struggling finding the new e.l.f. collection. Third time's a charm. e.l.f. has really stepped up their game. Like, look how cute this palette is. It is the e.l.f. Retro Paradise 18 pan eyeshadow palette, and I just thought it was super cute. And naturally I figured that was not enough, so I had to pick up this highlighter. This is the multi-dimensional face and body shimmer in the shade Soul, and then they also had another one in the shade Luna. I came, I saw, I conquered that, and now if Ulta, because I have a return at Ulta, I guess we can do like a little mini review right here. I picked up these 2 new Essence products. This one is High Beauty. It's supposed to be a hydrating face primer. I don't know what about it is hydrating because I look like SpongeBob needing water. And I even put the Farsali little silver bottle on my face before it, which is like a really nice double prime for dry skin. I think that primer made things a lot worse. And then I also picked out their Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. And this was not a good shade match for me. It is way too light, and I don't know. I was trying to use it with Billion Dollar Brows eyebrow pencil because it says universal brow pencil, but it's still too light on me. So I was like, oh, well, it's a perfect opportunity to try this, and it made my brows worse. So I'm like, all right, just gonna take this back, get like my $5 back because Essence is super affordable. I like a lot of their products. These are some of the new ones I saw on Ulta's website, and I don't know. We go to European Wax Center. There's a bunch of cars there, and the lights are on. We leave European Wax Center, and I wasn't even paying attention, but I walked up to the doors and we closed unexpectedly. So I'm like, oh, that's sketchy. So on our way to a different Ulta because I don't know, I got a craving of Olive Garden last night. Maybe it was because they put on Twitter Brock's favorites and it's chicken parm, and I thought of Olive Garden. So I would think I would want chicken parm, but I don't know, Ruckus is doing that family style chicken parm, so I'm like, I love Olive Garden's ravioli so much. It always reminds me of Williamsburg. That's where we went to Busch Gardens. It was like 3 years ago? 4 years ago. I think it was 4 years ago. Yeah. We went 4 years ago, had a blast. Apollo's Chariot, my favorite ride. What's your favorite ride?
Oh, I want to say Griffin because it is my name.
Wow.
But it's a tough pick. I mean, there's a lot of good coasters at Busch Gardens.
There are.
Verbolten was great.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. We're glad you escaped the forest.
Please lift up on your safety harness and exit carefully to your left and enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens. Auf Wiedersehen!
Yeah, that's what happens when you sit in the line for like an hour and this thing is going over and over and over again. But you know what? It was cool. It took place of the Big Bad Wolf. Sorry, Griffey, you never got to ride that. I think I rode it once.
Yeah.
Shout out to junior year high school band trip where we got gigantic Chimchar who still lives. to this day. Good times, good times. I hated band in high school, but good times. Band trips totally made it worth it. Anyway, going on another tangent, hashtag ADHD, hashtag squirrel, but it's okay because Alpha Gam's mascot is a squirrel. That's my justification right there. But I'm gonna have to switch out the batteries because this one's blinking on me. Ow, I just punched myself in the face. We will see you at Ulta, Best Buy, and Olive Garden.
We're going to Olive Garden. We're not going in Olive Garden.
Yeah, we're doing a curbside pickup.
Yeah.
Because we want the ravioli. That's like the log off of the different segments of the vlog. Is that? But I love SpongeBob. Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs?
I'm feeling it.
Hey Griffin, do you want to go visit the Canes?
Yes.
PNC!
Yes. Wait, there's the sign for it coming up.
Is it?
I believe so.
Oh, well, this car rudely got in front of me. Trying to buy.
No, it doesn't say.
Oh, it doesn't know? Oh, well, it says Carter Finley State Fair. Oh, rip the fair. That's another great tradition that's getting ruined this year.
Oh, here it comes. Here
it comes. Okay. My bad. I'm in my feelings over here. I'm sorry.
I knew it was the same one of these. This one's on North Carolina.
It doesn't say home of the Carolina Hurricanes.
No, the first professional sports team in the state of North Carolina to win a championship.
Oh.
Yeah.
My bad.
For a while, they were the only one until last year, I believe.
Who won last year?
The Courage.
Who's that?
Women's soccer.
I forget about soccer.
Yeah.
You never hear about it. You always hear football and baseball.
And they had holy car coming up behind us. This thing is epic. Hold on, you're gonna want to see this.
Are we?
Look at that Dodge right over here. This thing is awesome.
Oh wait, what?
That thing is awesome, man. That thing is so cool.
Okay.
919 Sean. Hey guys.
Why would you put your Instagram handle on your window?
Because they're car guys. Or gals. They're car people.
I mean, I give them props for promotion, but that's how you get like stalkers showing up at your house.
I'd be willing to bet they have a garage that they park in.
Oh. But someone could be following.
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah, I got the creepy people.
Yeah.
I am not a car person. I don't know like the first thing about cars. As long as it gets me from point A to point B and it makes decent gas mileage, I'm okay. That's my requirements. Ravioli. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog of Gryffindor.
Hi.
Getting his brows done today, plus like a little bit of a haul, reviews, food, just changing it up a bit. Maybe we'll do some more. I don't know, I just didn't know what to do for quarantine vlogs. I'd just be working and playing Animal Crossing. But hockey returns August 1st, so might do a special vlog for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.